Today we're going to present you a simple and easy recipe for grilled lobster. Two whole lobsters, about 1 to 1.5 pounds each. 4 tablespoons melted butter. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice. Salt and pepper, to taste. Fresh parsley or chives, chopped, optional, for garnish. Preheat your grill to medium heat. If using a gas grill, preheat it to around 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 - 200 degrees Celsius. Rinse the whole lobsters under cold water and pat them dry with paper towels. Using a sharp knife, carefully split the lobsters in half lengthwise. Remove any visible debris or tomalley, green liver, from the body cavity. In a small bowl, mix the melted butter, minced garlic, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Stir well to combine the flavors. Brush the lobster with marinade. Lay the lobster halves flesh side up on a large tray or platter. Use a basting brush to coat the lobster flesh with the prepared marinade generously. Place the lobster halves flesh side down on the preheated grill. Cook for about 4 to 5 minutes per side, or until the flesh turns opaque and the shells become bright red. Baste the lobster with the remaining marinade while grilling. Serve the grilled lobster. Once the lobster is cooked, please remove it from the grill and transfer it to a serving platter. Optionally, garnish with chopped parsley or chives for added freshness. Enjoy. Serve the grilled lobster immediately while it's still warm. You can enjoy it as is, or serve it with additional melted butter and lemon wedges for dipping. Grilled lobster is delightful on its own, but you can also pair it with your favorite side dishes like grilled vegetables, corn on the cob, or a fresh garden salad for a complete meal. Enjoy your delicious grilled lobster. Join our channel for tasty food and a healthy lifestyle.